Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Today, we're here to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. I went to several different stores in DFW, combined all the pictures into one video, and organized those pictures by section. So let's go shopping. We'll start with the apparel and accessories today. They had these boxes of gold bar socks. It has all these different gold bars on the socks by sockopath.com. It comes in a box. It looks like a solid gold bar. They had the men's boxer briefs. These range in size from small all the way up to a 2X. They had double bubble. There's also the Sugar Daddy men's boxer briefs. There is the Junior Mints and the Tootsie Roll. They had dots, candies. There's also blow pops. And what's neat about all of these is you can get coordinating socks sold separately. You can get the low-rise socks, 2 pair for $1.25, or the crew socks, 1 pair for $1.25. They also had some women's lounge shorts, which coordinate with the men's. They've got the Junior Mints, again, with the matching socks, the blow pops. They had all the different candies like Double Bubble, Sugar Babies, and Tootsie Rolls. You could also get some women's boy shorts and some solid colors or the printed patterns with the floral. Then I found some more of the Sockopath socks. These come in a 2-pack. They range in shoe size from 6 to 12. And they have these heel tabs on the back with the embroidered emoji style face to help keep the socks up. You just pull the tab there in the back and you can see how many different colors they have. Now they had these in women's and men's sizes. You get 2 pair for the $1.25. The men's pair, they look a little bit more like emojis with like the zigzag for a mouth and just the regular eyes and things like that. The women's pair, their emoji embroidery faces on the back are a little bit different. You'll have like flowers for eyes. They have some usually like eyelashes or some lipstick on the big bright pink lips. But again, the men's will have more of like emoji style faces. And they have lots of different colors. There's like dark blue, light blue. There's dark gray, light gray, black, white, cream, a mint green. They also had brown and a cream color. And there were some white ones, some light pink. They just had a whole bunch of different packs of these. There was several different stores had just quite a bit of those socks out. Then I found these cosmetic bags. They're like a plastic bag with the checkerboard pattern, which is really popular right now. They have those in the lavender, the dark blue, this light blue, and the pink checkerboard pattern, all with a fabric pull tab. Over in the arts and crafts, we have some more of the stretched canvas by Crafter's Square. What I like about these is they're the squares, not the rectangles, and they are on the frame. So these are the 12 by 12 or the 10 by 10, which are usually pretty hard to find. So it was nice that they put those back out. We have the large sheets of the black foam board and some Crafter's Square birch and vine fabric. There is the animal print. There's like a deer, a zebra, and a cheetah pattern. Or you could get the solid rolls. These are the 18 by 20 inches, 100% polyester for the $1.25. And they've got the solid colors like the black, brown, a light tan, and white. You can also get it in the pastel colors like peach. There's the blue with the white polka dots, a mint green, and a light gray. Some more ribbon this week. We've got the sunflowers or the solid yellow and blue. That was over by the summer flags. And then the baby and toddler section, more of the Bolero Kids slime goo. It's a like body wash and bath soap there. They have the bath fizzers. There's like raspberry and banana. There's peach. So there's several in the watermelon, I believe they have. There's a couple different ones there. Then for the health and beauty and the cosmetics, they've got the double pack of the Candy Moyo finger makeup sponges that are latex free, or you can get the regular beauty blenders, and those also are latex free. And they have them in pink and black. They had some that were like Alice in Wonderland theme. You've got the Queen of Hearts there and some Fruity Pebbles makeup brushes. So we saw these about a week or so ago. I found these at 3 more stores this week. So they're definitely making their rounds at different stores. The Beauty Intuition Creamy Lipstick. You've got the Creamy Cocoa, the Warm Nude, which is this light color here. And then this color is called Sweet Berry. And the packaging is supposed to mimic the color that you'll find inside. It says it's color rich with a smooth applicator. Then the Berry Cute Hydrating Lip Balm. We've got the Pink Bear, which is the mixed berry scent, or the little blue bear, his name is Cotton Candy Scent. You just remove the top there, and there will be the lip gloss underneath. For the hair care and hair accessories, we've got these large pearl headbands. You can see how the pearls graduate in size as you go up. There's also the fabric headbands, which are the ones with the full stuffing in it. It has some pearls across the top there. Then I found these heritage headbands. This one's called Raw Edge Headband. And you can see they also had this really pretty scrunchie with the ribbon that hangs down in this tan with the embroidered design on the outside there. Over in the pharmacy and personal care section, they had more of the personal care body wash. They have peach rings and the coconut vanilla, which both smell absolutely amazing. I also found this Pro Silk body wash, and it was new. It says it has natural extracts and essential oils. They have the Subtle C Vitamin A Boost Sheet Mask. You actually get 2 of them. It says it helps prevent blemishes, and they come in that little container. Kind of looks like a large pill. I found a bunch of bath bombs. So they had Winnie the Pooh, which is so fun. This one was honey scented. They had the Barbie one. That one was cherry scented. And then we have Stitch and Bluey. Those are vanilla. We have the apple scent, which is the Spider-Man. And then the Marvel, that one's also vanilla. It's a vanilla mint. The Jurassic World was tropical fruit. These hand sanitizers, which are so popular right now, several stores had just tons of boxes of them. They had the watermelon scent, the cucumber, the ocean breeze, and the passion fruit. So some of those had glitter, and they had the Be Pure hand sanitizer cases with the clip to put those in. For the fun finds, we've got these bracelets. They're like a sensory toy, and the bracelet kits. These are like those looms with the clips to hold the bracelets closed. It comes with all the different colors of rubber bands and the carrying case. They also had these water games called Toss and Play. You can see you just push the button and the water makes the rings move. They had some Dr. Seuss novelty pens, which are so cute. They look just like the Cat in the Hat. Very cute. So much detail to the little pen here. Very fun. Over in the home decor, they had some stretched canvas prints, lots of floral. They definitely had lots of different like summer flowers out with a lot of gold accent. And then they had quite a few without the gold accent, and these were in like a peach, blue, and sage green color scheme. They had some bathroom rolls and some different sayings like one day at a time, but lots of this color scheme with the navy blue, the peach, like a dark wine berry color, and the sage green. And it was like a whole set with a bunch of different prints in these colors. So a couple different floral ones here. And then they also had a bunch of these candle holders, and those come in several different styles. They've had these before around Christmas time, and they just restocked those. So over in the home library, office supply, and teaching tree section, they had these inspirational journals. There's 4 different journals here that you could choose from. These extra large giant coloring books. You get 24 nice large stickers. They're like 3 by 4. They're a nice big sticker for most of these. Just a whole sheet of those. And then what I love is the coloring pages are really large with big open coloring spaces. Really great for like little hands. There's not a whole lot of detail to each picture, which makes them a lot easier to color. They even had one that was like cats and dogs. And again, it comes with a bunch of stickers. It's a whole sheet of these large stickers. You get 24 of them. And again, they're anywhere between like 2 to 3 to 4 inches for the stickers. They had the cats and dogs there with the big open coloring spaces with all the different dogs and cats there. They've got the Jot brand cork bulletin boards. They have the 10-inch ones, the squares, and the hexagons, and then more of these gummy 3D erasers in the 5-pack. They had like butterflies. There is the like jungle zoo animals, and then they had the 5-pack of these cats. For the housewares, home maintenance, and storage, they just had these heavy duty batteries in size D, and they had the 9-volt batteries, which they don't always carry, and more of the appliance light bulbs, which seem to be pretty popular. Over in the kitchen and pantry section, we have these Easter salt and pepper shakers with the bunny and the carrot. They also had some Easter eggs, and then we've got the salt and pepper shakers and the mason jar style pepper shakers. You could also get the storage jars with the solid lid. More of the Babish coffee mugs. They have this design here, which we showed last week, and then I found the Born and Bred design. We've also got these Disney whisks. They had Nightmare Before Christmas and Mickey and Minnie. There's the gray, the black, and the red. So there's 3 different ones that I found. I did not see a Stitch one yet. Then I found these really fun pie plates. These are ceramic by Our Table. It says fresh baked, and it's a nice large ceramic pie plate. More of the tumblers in the pink and the purple. Some Barbie 3-pack sprinkle mix. They had a whole bunch of those. And now for the party supplies, we've got these really pretty pastel gift bags. They had quite a few different colors. They had pink, purple, there's green, yellow, a dark pink, a light blue. And I actually purchased these for Easter baskets. Most of my kids are grown, so I just purchased those to put their Easter things in. Then we had these birthday little buttons. They had the happy birthday headbands in the pastel colors. They also had the birthday candles in the pastels and some new birthday gift boxes. This one says happy birthday to you. Looks kind of like a book from the side, and then it lifts up, and then it's all covered on the inside with the paper as well. There's Grow Wild and Free. That's the orange, the blue, and the yellow box there. Good things are coming with the flowers and the smiley faces. Party time with the balloons. Then for the seasonal items, more of these pillow covers. They have the blue bunny. It says Hello Easter. And then they also have a pink one. Looks like this when it's folded up, and the pillow sham looks like this when you open it up. It says hippity hoppity. It has a zipper. They also had more of those plush peeps for $1.25. I only found those 3 colors, but they actually have them in like 5 different colors. The squishy pens, there's the carrots, the peeps, and the bunnies. And those are over by those novelty items you'll get for Easter for like basket fillers. They had these fun rings restocked. There's like bunnies and Easter eggs. And this is a view of them from this side. And then we've got the 3-pack of the card games. There's the Carrot 24-pack, the Go Hunt, and they had the Rummy game. Also, we've got the Carrot napkin ring holders. It's got the ring on the back. Those are $1.25 each. They have a full box of those. More of the Easter hand soaps. There's the bunny and the chickens. And then their Easter eggs, they have some that look like Legos, the large gold eggs, and then more of the ones that look like the video game controllers. Of course, they've got more of the gnomes restocked in all different pastel colors. Those are about 10 inches tall. And they have the mason jar cups with the coordinating lid and straw, the blue one there with the chicken on the front. They also have a purple one. That one has a gnome on the front of it with the white paint. Then you've got the pink one that has a bunny and a carrot. They also have a yellow one with a peep on the front. These are the smaller cups with the snow globe style bunny and peep on top with the coordinating straw. They also have these large tote bags. These are the reusable bags. They're the thicker plastic so they won't rip, with the coordinating handles, and they had about 3 different bags there. Then we've got these tumblers for St. Patrick's Day. You get 6 of them. They have like Let the Shenanigans Begin, Let's Shamrock, and this one here that says 3 sips time and make a wish. Then we've got the toys and games. There's the Pour and Paint Disney Frozen. We've also got the Stitch. It has Stitch and a pineapple. Nightmare Before Christmas and the Spider-Man. They had these boba tea plushies and the little mini characters for Minnie Mouse. It comes with a collectible card. They had 3 different Minnie Mouse. She was in a different outfit with a different pair of shoes and bow for each one. They also had Daisy Duck with the collectible card, Donald Duck, and then they had their little pet there. Its name is Cream Puff, their puppy. They have these battery operated bubble blowers in either the blue or the red. And then we've got the Softies dough with the stamper on top. There's Mickey, Minnie, Moana, Nightmare Before Christmas, and Stitch. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus section, they had these really nice soft, they're called Squish Me pillows. They had these adorable pillows. One looks like an elephant. They have a lion and a pig. So those were all the ones that I found, but I'm pretty sure there were a few more. They were just gone already. We've got these large candles. They're 14 ounces. There's the vanilla cashmere. There's lilac bloom in the purple. And then the Malibu Lagoon is in the light blue. The jars are just absolutely gorgeous. Or you get the metal tin 8-ounce candles. There's like the berry mandarin, the lilac bloom, and the vanilla cashmere. The axolotl toys and the collectible ball there, those are $5 each. The extra large tennis ball for $5. They had the Russell Stover's Pecan Delights. Those are $5. And the chocolate oranges, those are $3 each. The Ferrero Rocher, those were $5. And they had some Lindor chocolates as well. Those also were $5. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that like, and please share if you haven't done so already. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time.